Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSaved.com. We are back in Anaheim, and this time we are doing Disneyland a little bit different. We are at the Viv Hotel property. This is super close to Disneyland, but just a skip over from the main Disneyland area, a super quick shuttle or Uber Lyft ride over to the parks. But check out this hotel property. Such a great way to stay in Anaheim and do all kinds of things. I'm going to show you our room up here on the 8th floor, but I want to also suggest that when you book your room here or when you arrive for your stay, definitely request a view of the parks, because that's one of the really cool perks of staying here is that from both the rooftop and your room, you can look out over the parks during the day, in the morning, and especially during the fireworks. Super cool. So as you can see, really fun decor vibe in here. This is a 2-queen room, lots of space, great for families. Again, the distance to the park is perfect here, but there are some other things very close by that we can suggest for you to do. I'll leave those in the description, and we'll share a few of those with you, but so much room in here. Everything that you need, really nice hotel property. I would almost even say this is a boutique type hotel. Spacious rooms. You've got your little coffee area, your refrigerator, desk space, huge television set, really clean. Love the floors. And just the overall layout is really cool. And as I mentioned, I want to give you a peek at the view. You can see how close we are to the parks. You can see California Adventure there, clear all the way down to Disneyland on that end. And it's crazy how huge it looks from over here. You don't realize how far you're walking when you're walking from one park to the other, but it's kind of fun to come back to your room and look at that. As you can see, some really fun Disney touches throughout the property, and I will show you some other ones as well when we go down to the main floor. Just really a well-done property. All the little things that you need. Again, great choice for families. I'm going to show you the bathroom here and show you why we really think this is a good fit for families. Very spacious bathrooms. Nice big shower area. And all of the things that you would need in the rooms as well. Really nice. And again, super clean. You got your makeup mirror. Love that. So there you go. There is a peek at the rooms here. Again, this shuts off, of course. Super roomy. Really like this. Again, try and get a view if you can, because that makes a big difference as well. But next, we're going to take you up to probably my favorite place at this hotel property, the rooftop. It is incredible, especially towards sunset. There's a restaurant up here that I'll show you in a minute, but look at this view. Huge pool. They have a nice big hot tub on the other side. Just a great place to come up here and enjoy the view and the fireworks from Disney at night. Here's the restaurant area, also really, really well done. Just has a luxury feel to it. And then throughout the hotel property are these little Disney touches that kids will love. These are little Lego mini figures, all Disney themed, and there are so many of them. Hard to capture with camera, but if you look closely, you can see that is so cool. And then right around the corner, you have stormtroopers. This is so cool. We saw so many kids just enjoying those. Really cool. And then out here is the ground floor pool area. Probably more for kids, but there is a bar right next to that. Really pretty area. Again, just so much to do here. Walking back to the main lobby area, you can kind of see why I was calling this a boutique hotel. Just has a really, really fun, unique feel to it, with just some subtle Disney touches like this one. So Anyway, really cool property, really unique. As you can see, huge lobby area, lots of sitting options. And probably one of my other favorite things was that there is a coffee shop downstairs. And that's always a struggle for me, is to find a way to get my coffee and get over to Rope Drop. So come right in here. The coffee was amazing. Grab your morning coffee. And then you can take a quick Uber, Lyft, or the hotel has shuttles over to Disneyland. Grab your coffee, grab your Disney bestie, and you're good to go. Okay, and one other thing I wanted to mention is the packing district. It is so close by, all kinds of food and cultures and things. You've got to do that. And then get back to your room at night, whether you go to the roof or have a great view from your room and watch the Disneyland fireworks. It's such a great way to do this trip. If you're at Disney for a few days, maybe watch the fireworks in the park one day and come back to the hotel. We were up on the rooftop in the pool and we're able to just get right out and come back, get our PJs on and watch these fireworks. It's just a fun way to do this trip, a little bit different than I've done it before, but so many options in this area that are so close. So I will leave some of our favorites in the description, but mostly, we hope you enjoyed this tour of the Viv Hotel, and we hope you can fit it into your Disney and Anaheim plans. So let me know if you have any questions. As always, this is Carrie Lynn for shesaved.com.